leaking? Yeah.
Knock, knock, knock.
Was it a tight fit?
Yeah, it was good to smell. Did you go faster? Does the sound go away?
Yeah, like
A little bit faster.
so Dad didn't know that I was making a video, and so he kind of ruined it by putting that new fuel hose on the truck and fixing it and starting it, but that's okay. Anyway, I wanted to point out that noise that you could hear in the video. I've been trying to figure out what that noise was. No, the hood's not popped, but anyway, it's one of the pulleys for sure. I just put a broomstick up to the engine, put it everywhere I could. Couldn't hear anything go underneath. That knock is, you can't hear it, so it's definitely not from the bottom end. And then I put it up to next to, like, around the pulleys as close to as I can while with the engine running. And the sound was instant. It got really loud, so it's for sure one of the pulleys. So I think it's the alternator. The alternator's been making noise since it was new, actually, since I tried to impress a girl by doing a burnout and over spinning it, because it's only supposed to be spun to 6,500 RPMs. But anyway, so yeah, it's probably that. I think some of the bearings are shot in it, because you can, none of my pulleys are perfectly straight, so they all kind of wobble, which is probably not easy on bearings, and not, you know, it's a cheap AutoZone alternator. Power steering pump line, the high pressure line, and then that stupid fuel hose that I found after that got fixed. And I haven't driven this thing in a while, and it's amazing. Even though it's cold, and this is when it runs the worst, is when it's cold. It's just plugging it out in last gear, because my kickdown isn't hooked up, because I prefer to shift it manually. It accelerates so much better than any of the work cars. This thing sounds like a freight train. I love it. Last gear, man. This thing's crazy. And that was like quarter throttle. I don't really want to downshift because of that pulley. I don't want to stress it anymore. But I have to until I can figure out what it is and replace it. I really do think it, because I put that broomstick, I put it on the bracket for the alternator. So and that's where I was hearing the sound a lot. And then I put my hand on it, and I could feel it, like whenever it would knock, it vibrate real hard. Okay, clean my window again. deceiving because you're like, you take a turn, you're like, okay, this should be pushing it. This is a big, heavy truck, and then you take the turn, it's like, oh, that was easy.